Hey, good evening. I'm Harish. I'm a BTech MBA. When Ram Subramanian reached out to me for the full mentoring program, I was really excited to be on board for it. This would just take 1 hour from your time for the next 15 days, and there are actually carefully prepared modules from the TQI team, and they will guide you into how you're going to go over this whole program, and you'll be assigned a mentee. And this relationship with the mentee will grow over time. And in my experience, I was pleasantly surprised to see how much dedication that every mentee is taking to complete the homeworks and assignments that are being given to them. And over the course of this 15 days, by preparing for this class, your English also will improve. I think that's the biggest takeaway for me is that you also learn and you also help someone else learn in the process. So give this a shot, please. Thank you.
Hi guys, Mr. Sriram. This video is about small feedback on the TQA Express mentoring which I have been doing for the past few days, and I have been a part of TQA since 2014. A student named Gautam was assigned to me. So he is basically from a underprivileged background, so he was facing difficulty in speaking with English or expressing himself outside. He used to work on Saturdays and Sundays, but even then he took his own time. He wanted to learn something and he was interested and he came out. But the biggest problem which I faced was that he was not ready to bring himself outside from the comfort zone. Since I was new to him and he didn't have any idea about that. So I gave him the time and space which he needed to understand me, and I also took the time which he wanted to learn. So the first 2 days were like literally one side talk. So I gave him the time, and it was nearly a 3 or 4 days gap which I called him back again and he came out. So what he wanted to know. So then we spoke. So each and every session went for nearly more than 1.5 hours. So it was really great. So he came out of his comfort zone. He was ready to come out of his comfort zone, and he told me about his difficulties which he was facing in his life or in his college days or currently right now. But he didn't think that as a biggest burden, but he was ready to move on with whatever he had. So he was ready to move on. He moved on. He took the chance, and I had to help him with whatever I can. And he took that. He took that input, and the drastic change, which I was able to see. It was a drastic, visible change from the day 1 to day 15. So the guy who was so conserved within himself broke his comfort zone, came out, spoke very nicely. So that was a literal drastic change which I saw. So it was a very beautiful experience for me, and the feedback which I got from him was also good. I loved it literally. So thank you TQA for giving me this opportunity, and I hope everyone participates in this, because not only the alumni of TQA are getting participated in this program, but the friends of alumni, each and everyone who are hearing about this program are getting involved. They are volunteering themselves into this. So this is something great and a new step in making a change. So congrats TQA. Thank you for the opportunity.